Welcome to our Lethal Company modding guide on YouTube. In this all-in-one tutorial, we'll explore the ins and outs of enhancing your gameplay, starting with installing the essential BPinX framework, followed by a step-by-step guide on using the R2 Modman Mod Manager for effortless mod management. We'll also delve into selecting and installing the best mods to spice up your game, plus tips on keeping everything running smoothly. Perfect for both beginners and experienced modders, this video is your ticket to a more thrilling, Lethal Company experience. Hit like and subscribe for a journey into the world of game modding. Initial setup for modding. 1. Installing BPinX framework. Why BPinX? It's a popular Unity mod loader and framework. It's essential for Lethal Company as it allows the game to load and manage custom mods. Installation process. Download the correct version of BPinX for your system, x64 or x86. Extract the downloaded file and move its contents to the Lethal Company game root directory. Start the game and reach the online LAN menu, then exit. This action will complete BPinX's installation by creating the necessary folders within its directory. Confirming installation. After exiting the game, check the BPinX folder for new subfolders, indicating a successful installation. 2. Utilizing R2 Modman Mod Manager. Advantages: R2 Modman simplifies managing mods. It provides a user-friendly interface to install, update, enable, or disable mods. Installing R2 Modman, download and extract R2 Modman. Run the .x file and install it in an accessible location. Using R2 Modman, once installed, you can browse, download, and manage Lethal Company mods directly from the manager. Downloading and installing mods. 1. Finding mods. Sources for mods. Websites like Thunderstore are popular sources for Lethal Company mods. These sites offer a variety of mods, each with descriptions and installation instructions. Selecting mods. Look for mods that enhance your game experience. Pay attention to any dependencies or additional instructions. 2. Installation steps. Without R2 Modman, download the mod, usually a .rar file with a .dll file inside. Extract the .dll file to the BPinX plugins folder in the game directory. With R2 Modman, use the manager to directly download and install mods. It will handle the file placement automatically. Dependencies. Some mods might require additional files or other mods to function. Ensure you fulfill these requirements. Launching and managing mods. 1. Playing with mods. Without R2 Modman, simply start the game through Steam or your usual method. BPinX will load the mods. With R2 Modman, press Start Modded on the R2 Modman client to launch the game with mods enabled. 2. Managing mods. Uninstalling or disabling mods. This can be done within the mod manager. You can selectively enable or disable mods to suit your play session. Best practices and tips. 1. Backup your files. Always backup your game files before installing new mods. This precaution helps in case of mod conflicts or errors. 2. Keep mods updated. Regularly check for updates to your mods, as outdated mods might not work correctly or could cause conflicts. 3. Community support. Engage with the Lethal Company modding community for recommendations, support, and troubleshooting tips. 4. Compatibility checks. Ensure that the mods are compatible with your version of Lethal Company. Some mods might only work with specific game versions. 5. Experimenting. Don't hesitate to try out different combinations of mods to find what best enhances your gaming experience. By meticulously following the outlined steps and incorporating these tips, you unlock a new dimension of enjoyment and customization in Lethal Company. The realm of modding is not just about adding new content, it's about personalizing the game to fit your unique style and preferences. Mods can range from simple cosmetic changes to complete gameplay overhauls, allowing you to tailor every aspect of your experience. The modding community, a vibrant and innovative hub, continuously pushes the boundaries of what's possible within the game. Through their creativity, you can access a plethora of mods, each offering new challenges, environments, and even storylines. This diversity ensures that no two playthroughs are the same, keeping the game fresh and exciting.